Hello, coolers, and welcome back to another exciting update from the Spotify Camp Nou construction site. Today, we're taking a closer look at the biggest developments shaping Barcelona's future home. From impressive progress on the iconic diamond entrances to major work on the compression ring and continued facade construction, there are plenty of important milestones to cover. Let's take a walk around the stadium and see everything that's happening. One of today's most exciting developments is the installation of another enormous steel box segment for the compression ring. This XXL component is being carefully lifted into position high above the stadium, extending the ring even closer toward the south stand corner. Every successful installation brings the stadium's main roof support structure one step closer to completion. Engineers are now securing the newly installed steel box into its final position before connecting it permanently with high-strength bolts. As additional sections are installed one after another, the compression ring continues to close the remaining gaps around the stadium's perimeter. One of today's most noticeable developments can be seen along the stadium's lateral side, where construction teams have begun applying a second coat of protective primer to several exposed steel structures. This important finishing step prepares the framework for its final coating, while providing long-term protection against weather and corrosion, bringing another section of the stadium closer to completion. As we continue along the stadium's lateral side, most of the protective plastic has now been removed from the ceramic lamellas, with only a small section in the center still waiting to be uncovered. This is another clear sign that installation is entering its final stages. The structural cores at the front are also looking more complete, while the supporting framework for the ceramic lamellas continues to expand, giving this section of the stadium an increasingly finished appearance. Another important area showing steady progress is one of the stadium's iconic diamond entrances. Crews are now working on the upper roof structure, installing the necessary framework before the concrete pouring phase begins. With each step completed, this distinctive architectural feature moves one step closer to completion. The VIP ring continues to make impressive progress, with more activity now visible inside the structure. Much of the curtain wall is already in place, while one of the structural cores has reached an advanced stage of completion with sandwich panels installed around the future elevator area. Preparation work is also moving forward across the intermediate level, where future hospitality spaces and premium facilities are steadily taking shape. With construction progressing across multiple sections at once, the VIP ring is becoming one of the stadium's most advanced areas. Another diamond entrance is also showing encouraging progress. Steel profiles for the future glass panels have now been installed, and there is constant activity throughout this area. With each new structural element added, these iconic entrances are becoming increasingly recognizable. A noticeable milestone can now be seen at the front of the Tribune, where the steel substructure has expanded significantly. With each new section installed, the framework continues to take shape, preparing the area for the next phase of construction. New construction materials have also arrived on site, while one of the structural cores is now complete externally. Nearby, another core has already received its upper sandwich panels, showing that work is steadily progressing across this section of the stadium. Before continuing the construction tour, there's also an opportunity to take a closer look at Barcelona's new kit for the 2026-27 season. Seeing it in person gives a much better impression than in photos, with the colors appearing more vibrant and the overall design standing out beautifully. The shorts and the new typography on the shirt are also on display, giving fans a closer look at the complete design before the tour continues around the stadium. From this panoramic view of the corner, the progress on the ceramic facade becomes even more noticeable. The supporting superstructure, including the mounting brackets for the ceramic panels, is now well advanced, while crews continue applying protective coatings to the steel framework as part of the finishing process. Looking toward the north goal, the decorative lamellas can already be seen extending from the entrance roof toward the first terrace, with around half of this access area now covered in ceramic panels. Vertical lamellas are expected to follow soon, While the Tribune sector remains the only area where ceramic installation has yet to begin, attention now turns to the corner section, where another important development is taking place. After being removed several weeks ago, the supports for the decorative lamellas are now being reinstalled. 3 new supports have already been fitted in this area, marking the return of work on a section that had remained unchanged for weeks. Across the corner, construction activity continues with several crews, cranes, and elevated work platforms operating at different levels of the stadium. Although there are no major structural installations taking place today, steady progress continues as preparations move forward across both the lower and upper tiers. With work gradually advancing throughout this area, all eyes remain on the compression ring as it continues extending around the stadium. The coming weeks are expected to bring even more visible progress as both sides of the roof structure move closer together. Around the south goal, crews remain focused on the upper structure, carrying out detailed work around the suspended pipe system. Nearby, protective caps have also been installed over several structural anchors, adding another important finishing detail as this section continues to develop. Preparations are also moving forward for the future installation of the sandwich panels, with steel elements receiving their protective coatings before the next construction phase begins. Meanwhile, work continues on the decorative lamellas, where crews are carefully inspecting, securing, and fine-tuning the installed sections. While these are finishing works, they play a key role in ensuring the stadium's exterior meets the high standards expected for the new Spotify Camp Nou. Before finishing today's tour, another massive steel box segment is carefully lifted and positioned onto the compression ring. Watching these enormous components being installed with such precision highlights the remarkable engineering behind one of the world's most ambitious stadium construction projects. As today's tour comes to an end, attention turns to the nearby storage area, where large quantities of construction materials are already prepared. These components will soon be transported onto the main construction site, supporting the next phases of work as Spotify Camp Nou moves steadily toward completion. Every visit to the Spotify Camp Nou construction site reveals meaningful progress. From the expanding compression ring and the iconic diamond entrances to the advancing facade, commercial spaces, and interior construction, Barcelona's future stadium continues to take shape at an impressive pace. If you enjoyed this construction update, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest progress from one of the world's most spectacular stadium projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.